Upwork is a global freelancing platform that connects businesses with independent professionals, allowing them to collaborate on projects remotely in various fields like writing, design, development, and more. Are you struggling to land jobs on Upwork no matter how many proposals you send? What if I told you the problem isn't your skills, but your profile? Could optimizing your Upwork profile be the key to getting more clients, more projects, and making money faster? Let's dive into how you can turn your Upwork profile into a client magnet. Upwork is a global freelancing platform that connects businesses with independent professionals, allowing them to collaborate on projects remotely in various fields like writing, design, development, and more. Are you struggling to land jobs on Upwork no matter how many proposals you send? What if I told you the problem isn't your skills, but your profile? Could optimizing your Upwork profile be the key to getting more clients, more projects, and making money faster? Let's dive into how you can turn your Upwork profile into a client magnet. Let's break it down step by step, and make sure you follow along because every piece of this puzzle is important. 1. Craft a winning headline. Your headline is the first thing potential clients see. Make it clear, catchy, and client-focused. Instead of freelance writer, try something like expert freelance writer specializing in high conversion copy for small businesses. What are you good at? What value do you offer? Speak to the client's needs. 2. Use a strong profile picture. A clear, professional, and friendly profile picture builds trust instantly. Studies show that profiles with a good picture are more likely to get noticed. No blurry selfies here. Dress like you're meeting your dream client. 3. Write a compelling overview. Think of your overview as your elevator pitch. Don't just list your skills, explain how you can help the client. Be specific. Are you a designer? Tell them how your designs can help boost their brand image and sales. Hook them in the first 2 sentences because that's what they'll see before deciding to click read more. 4. Highlight your skills and certifications. Clients love expertise. Make sure your skill list reflects the services you're offering. But don't just stop there. If you have certifications or have taken relevant courses, display them proudly. This shows clients you're serious and have honed your craft. 5. Portfolio. Show, don't tell. Your portfolio is where the magic happens. It's one thing to say you're great at what you do, but clients want proof. Add samples of your work, whether it's writing, graphic design, or coding. Even if you're just starting out, create mock projects to show off your skills. 6. Client-focused testimonials. If you've worked with clients before, their testimonials can be gold. Positive reviews build trust faster than anything else. If you're new to Upwork, consider doing a few small jobs at lower rates just to build up your reviews. 7. Tailor your proposals. This one's crucial. Your proposal should not just be a copy-paste job. Personalize it for each project you apply to. Address the client's specific needs and explain how you're the solution to their problem. 8. Set competitive rates. Finally, when it comes to rates, don't undervalue yourself. Do some research and set a price that reflects your skills and experience. Remember, clients often equate higher rates with higher quality. And there you have it. Those are the steps to optimizing your Upwork profile to get more clients, land more jobs, and increase your income. Remember, this isn't an overnight fix. It's all about setting up your profile as a professional, trustworthy, and client-focused freelancer. If you follow these steps, you'll be ahead of 90% of other freelancers on the platform. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to supercharge your freelance career, hit the like button, subscribe to Prince Sam Official, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any tips on wealth, personal finance, and business strategies. Let's get you on the road to freelance success. Thank you for watching, and remember, Prince Sam Official loves you all. Until next time, keep hustling and stay winning.